my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Yeah, I'm a real foodie and I love experimenting with different cuisines from all around the world. It's my passion. Levantine is one of them. The flavors from the aromatic herbs and spices, along with great ingredients, tantalize my taste buds. There are so many incredible dishes, and here's one of them. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Shawarma Chicken Kebabs. Do I slowly roast thin chicken on a pit? No, but I definitely use ingredients that remind you of this popular street food. Marinated for 24 hours, this dish is definitely a must-try for this summer. So my friends, let's get cooking.
We'll go ahead and make a marinade. In a large bowl, we'll add smoked paprika, ground cumin, I love that spice, ground coriander, ground ginger, ground cardamom, some cayenne pepper, then ground turmeric, ground cloves, followed by allspice, and ground cinnamon, just a little bit. We'll also add half a tablespoon of pressed garlic, ground sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, some lemon zest, olive oil, and freshly squeezed lemon juice. We'll give a good whisk, making sure the ingredients are well blended before adding half of the chicken thighs. Using our clean hand because it works better that way, we'll toss the meat to coat before adding the remaining thighs. It's easier to work in batches so the marinade gets into all the nooks and crannies. We'll cover and transfer to the fridge for 24 hours. The next day, we'll make the yogurt sauce. In a medium bowl, we'll combine Greek yogurt, fresh chopped dill, a large pressed garlic, lemon juice, which will brighten it up, some ground cumin, and of course, ground sea salt, as well as freshly ground black pepper. We'll stir until everything is well mixed, cover, and chill until needed. Now, let's make our kebabs. When you remove the lid, you'll find out how incredibly beautiful it smells. I love making this dish. So we'll slide on a piece of onion, followed by a piece of red pepper. I know it's not traditional, but hey, this is how I like to make mine. Plus, I don't own a vertical grill. But trust me, this is absolutely delicious. Then we'll slide on a few pieces of our marinated thighs, about 7 to 8, before repeating with onion and red pepper pieces. We'll add more meat and finish with red pepper and onion. We'll also evenly space the chicken out so it cooks properly. We'll transfer the kebabs to a baking sheet while we assemble the others. When we're done, we'll move on to the barbecue. We'll place the kebabs on the grate, close the lid, and grill them for about 5 to 6 minutes per side at 500 to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. If they're charred a little bit, it's absolutely fine. When they're done, we'll remove from the barbecue and start making our pitas. We'll place some chopped lettuce right across the middle of the flatbread, then a row of cubed tomatoes, I'm using Roma, and another row, but this time English cucumber. Now we'll put the chicken on the pita and try to get everything on like I just did, right? And for the finishing touch, we'll generously spoon on our yogurt sauce. And my friends, these are our shawarma chicken kebabs. As you saw, this is a very easy recipe. Colorful and so flavorful, this healthy dish is one you just have to make this summer. It's a nice change from traditional barbecue fare. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit toughfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!